My Dixon ZTR will not drive on the left side. I've installed a new belt, but that did not fix the problem. Any ideas?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. This is mechanical transmission. It has cups and cones that drive the unit and chains to the wheels. Are the chains in place on the left side? If handles feel same, you likely have a chain off a sprocket or broken. http://www.dixonztr.com/doc/dixie/dixie2000_usin/dixie2000_usin_I0009002.pdf.
Chain is on the left side.
It has at least 2 chains on each side. Check the small chain at the drive unit.
The chains look like they are on, but I will check the one on the drive unit.
With mechanical unit, it has to be drive cup, chain or a stripped key.
I will also check for a stripped key. Thanks.
Jack up left wheel and turn it, to see what is not turning. CTHE parts link I sent earlier. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.